Hi there, it's Jonathan with CarGenerator. Sometimes people ask the question, if I already have a generator plug on my house, can I use it with a car generator? And the answer is yes, you most definitely can. A generator plug is installed in a house by your electrician, and it oftentimes looks kind of like this. It's a weird round circular plug. Typically, and you can get from our partner, acworks.com, you can get a very simple conversion plug that looks kind of like this. If you go to acworks.com, they're very friendly and they'll help you with it. And that plug basically plugs right into that generator port and twists to lock, and then gives you a regular standard household outlet that you can then plug into your car generator directly. And that's it. You got no gas generator hassles. And you can just use it, and that's all there is to it. And it'll activate both, all the circuits, both sides of your electrical panel. One thing that's interesting is that people often get a car generator as a backup, just in case their main generator doesn't start, or also in the case of if they run out of gas for their portable generator or their generator. CarGenerator uses your car, which works every single time, and it's very reliable, and it runs for 50 to 70 hours on a tank of gas. So it's very easy, and a lot of people just get a car generator as a really great, simple backup. And that's all. So it's Jonathan with CarGenerator. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.